Do you see those tiny black dots around your lips or nose? They're not just dirt. They are deep blackheads, trapped oil and dead skin that can damage your pores if not removed correctly. Most people try scrubbing them away, but harsh scrubbing can cause redness and even scars. The key is to soften the skin first. Use warm steam, natural oils, or gentle peel masks. Then, extract carefully, without pressure. Watch this. The blackhead comes out without pain. The skin breathes again. It's not magic, it's smart skincare. Notice how the area stays calm, clean, and clear. Want to stop blackheads from coming back? Wash your face twice a day. Avoid oily makeup. And once a week, give your skin a deep detox. Subscribe for more satisfying skincare, because taking care of your skin isn't just beauty, it's peace.